Hi guys, Megan off leash canine Boise. Meet Dylan. Hi Dylan. Hi. Dylan is our newest 2-week board and train. She is a 1.5-year-old Malinois mix. Dylan's owners bring her to us because they recently just adopted her. They've had her for about 4 weeks and they say she's a great dog, but she's a very energetic dog. Now, the owners have had shepherds in the past, so they're familiar with high drive, very intelligent dogs, but this is their first Malinois. And they say that she's very sweet, but they understand that they just don't have the time to commit to her training that she needs. Now, one of their biggest goals for Dylan is to be able to take her on trails and go hiking with her. And they say she basically has no recall right now. So that recall command or the come command is going to be one of their biggest priorities. They want to know that they can take her off leash, especially on the trails in our area, and know that she'll come back when called. In addition to the recall, leash manners are also very important. The rescue that they got her from said she had some obedience training. So they can tell there's a little bit there, but there's something she really doesn't understand. The heel command is one of those. She likes to pull. She likes to pull and tug on the leash. She has a good nose. She likes to follow her nose. So we want to work on that heel command, teaching her to stay close to us without pulling or tugging when she's on leash. The owner also says she can be a little bit reactive to dogs on leash. It just sounds like she barks. She does that kind of Malinois talking. So we want to make sure that when she's in that heel, she stays focused on us. In addition to that, we want to work on the place command. Place is going to teach her to get up on objects and stay on it. Now, Dylan seems pretty confident, but this is going to be great for impulse control. It's going to make her brain work, which is great for a high drive dog like her. Hi. In addition to the obedience, there's obviously some nuisance behaviors we want to work on, that jumping and mouthing. They have family that are elderly, and so although the family loves them, that jumping and mouthing can be a little bit hard. So we're going to be working on an off command. The owner also says she loves to bolt out the doors at doggy daycare and she tries to escape. So we're going to be working on that threshold of the door. She's not allowed to run in and out without us releasing her. We are so excited to work with her. We absolutely love working with Malinois. So make sure you stay tuned for her transformation. Good girl, Dylan.